Doctor, is there
the
any way to see our attendance?
sorry.
Is there any way to see our attendance?
Look, I have to trust you people, and those who I because we are not physically seeing each other.
Yeah, correct.
I'm not debarring any student.
Thank you, Doctor.
Find the half range cosine expansion. It is also called expansion.
Sorry, doctor.
Yes.
We took for example for cosine.
Okay. We took example for cosine,
Yes,
right?
but not for sine. We didn't take for sine.
Okay. All right. Sine expansion for the function. What is the function? This is the function, right? Now I have to find the sine, say expansion or series. That means what I have to do? I have to make it odd function. So what will be the thing? Yes. What will be that?
It will be odd.
Yes, it will be odd function. It will be reflection in the here. So please understand here, what is L? Pi by 2. So half range sine series or expansion is, what is the Kanun? Yes, n pi ala L. Is that correct? All right. Now what will be Bn? 2 over L what? Fx This is A, this is B, and you know sine A, B is what? Come on, what is that? Half. I gave you the Qanun. What is that? Sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. Any question? What Qanun you used? Ya Raqi. What is the Qanun you used?
Yes, doctor.
What is the Qanun you used for coming from here to here?
Uh, cosine multiplied by sine, it's become
Sine A cosine B equal to what? Half sine A plus B plus sine A minus B. This is the Qanun we used. So this is equal to 2 over pi. Integration is easy. What is the integration? Cosine of odd multiple of pi by 2 is 0. So here will be 0 minus 1. Cosine 0 is 1. Again here cosine odd multiple of pi by 2. So what you got here? You got minus 2 over pi outside, 1 over 2n plus 1 plus 1 over 2n minus 1. Is this right?
Yes.
And here will be 4n. So what you got? Bn, yes, please. Say again. You are right. Thank you. Thank you, Ya Osama. That minus had been neutralized with this minus. I'm sorry. Yes. So what is this? 8n over. So your value of Bn is what? 4n square minus 1. So now you are ready to substitute here and you get the half range sine series is I took this 8 out, 8 over pi out, and you have n over now I told you when there is cosine, for deduce that, and the next part is and deduce that, or and show that. Next part of the question. What do you have to show that? We will see. I told you when there is a cosine, you choose x equal to 0. When there is a sine, you choose here so that you get n pi by 2. So what you will choose here? Come on. What you will choose?
0 ده.
No, cannot choose 0 because sine 0 is 0. I told you when there is a sine, you should try to bring n pi by 2. So what you have to do here? Pi over 4, and look at the function. At pi over 4, the function is continuous. So f of pi by 4, what will be that? Is that right? Cosine pi by 4 is it correct or no? 8. Now look here. If n is even, the terms will be 0. So only terms remain for odd. Are you understanding? إذا كان n even, n to n, sine n pi by 2 will be 0, right? Because it is 2n. 2 cancel sine n pi 0. So only for n odd remain. So what you will have here? Pi over 8 root 2 equal to. Only odd means what? 2n minus 1 over and what will be this? And what is this? Come on. Yeah, Saud.
Yes, دكتور.
What will be this equal to?
1 over
That will be
n.
2n minus 1. That will be what? Okay. 4. Keep like this. Into minus 1 to the power m. And I told you this can be also asked as to be equal to m equal to 0 to, this will be 2m plus, sorry, this minus 1. Because sine odd multiple is this. This also equal to, I told you many times that this also equal to 4 2m plus 1 square minus 1 minus 1 to the power a. From here to here, how you come? By substitution. So this can be asked to you. Any question? Any question? Okay. All right. I'm removing this and I'm giving you an practice exercise. Please do it. Find half range cosine expansion, also called cosine series, for the function please do it similarly and show that I don't know what to show that. You get it from your last. Here in the end, you will put x equal to 0 and x equal to 0 because this is a cosine series. So in the end, you will put x equal to 0. And you know when x equal to 0, dalta is discontinuous from 0 to pi by 2. What is the function? This is the function. And you are making it positive, right? I mean, you are making it even. So when it is 0, it is discontinuous. So you have to go from this side, this side. Ultimately, that value will be 0. It is an interesting question. Get here, show that. Why you have to put x equal to 0? Because it is going to be the cosine series. What is that series going to be? A0 over 2 plus summation a n cosine 2 nx. Whatever you get here, here you will put x equal to 0, and at x equal to 0, the function is discontinuous. So you will have f0 plus f0 minus ala 2. Fortunately, both values are 0. So you will have this side equal to 0. So what you will get is minus a0 by 2 equal to summation n equal to 1 to infinity an, because this will become 1. So find this and show that what you get. This is an interesting exercise. Do it, please. So I'm removing this and we will go to next, that is Fourier integral. Certainly this is easier than had there been the physical exams final, this Fourier integral was for 5 marks. And Fourier series was for 5 marks. But unfortunately, it appears that there will not be the final exam in physical form, but it will be like maybe quiz online. The structure is not yet decided, but it is going to be online, it looks, inshallah. Okay. But still,
It will be
Fourier
multiple
integrals.
choice.
Sorry?
It will be multiple choice.
Because online, it is, of course, it will be multiple choice. With online, we cannot give you what? Long questions.
Doctor, sometimes multiple choice is not fair. You know, I do better in real exam.
Yes, yes, not you, all students. All students have that tendency. But
So
because of this situation, may Allah help you, all of you, inshallah, all of us. Yes, Fourier integrals. What is a Fourier integral? Given a function, defined on whole R, it's Fourier integral. And this integral with respect to alpha. This is called the Fourier integral for the function fx. And what is A alpha? This, please note that this integral representation, integral is with respect to alpha. And what is A alpha? Integral minus infinity to infinity fx multiplied by and what is B alpha? Is integral minus infinity to infinity fx. So like in Fourier series, you have to find three, A0, AN, BN. Here, only you have to find two integrals. You have to find A alpha and you have to find B alpha. Substitute here and you get the Fourier integral for the function. Note that the integral is with, for integral representation of fx is with respect to alpha, integration with respect to alpha. Whereas while finding alpha, you need to integrate with respect to x, with respect to x. And they are easier. Fourier integrals are easier than what? Fourier series. You don't have other lecture after this, or you have? Raqi, I'm asking question.
I have at 12 and 20.
You have the lecture after my lecture.
Not after it directly, after it at 12 and 20.
Okay, so I will continue for one exercise I will take inshallah. But let me come back because Zoom will close. I'll go and come back. what?
leave and join back.
Yes, inshallah. Find the Fourier integral of the function and show that. Yes. What is the function? Look at the function. This is 0, couple 0, the graph is 0. From 0 to 1, the graph of the function is this. And 1 onwards, it is 0. So the graph is like this. Right? This minus infinity, this plus infinity. All right. I don't want the graph at present. What I will do is, yes. What is the Fourier integral? Fx equal to cosine and integration with respect to alpha. Now, what you have to find? I have to find A alpha. What is A alpha equal to? Come on. Multiplied by. Integral will split into 3 integrals. Minus infinity to 0 fx cosine alpha x dx plus 0 to 1 fx cosine alpha x dx, and last one 1 to infinity fx cosine alpha x dx. But here the function is 0, here the function is 0, so they will not contribute. So what will be that is 0 to 1. And what is fx?
2.
Twice cosine alpha x dx. Sine alpha minus 0, because sine 0 is 0. So this is 2 by alpha sine alpha. Now B alpha will be minus infinity to infinity fx sine alpha x dx. Because only on this it is alive, the rest everywhere it is dead. Integral is minus 2 over alpha cosine alpha x. So you find A alpha, B alpha, substitute here, and you will get the Fourier integral. I'll write here. Fourier integral is A alpha. What is that? Minus, sorry, 2 or alpha sine alpha cosine alpha x plus B alpha is so this finished Fourier integral. Now the next part is show that. Before show that, I need to make little, we need to work more for this. Look, the integration is with respect to alpha. Therefore, alpha I cannot take out. So what is this is fx equal to 1 over alpha. What is this? Sine alpha x, sorry, sine alpha cosine alpha x. I will add this first, minus cosine alpha sine alpha x, and the last term is sine alpha x. Now this is interesting. I will be using this kanun. What is the kanun? Look. Equal to what? Sine A cosine B minus cosine A sine. Look, this is A, or this is B. Sine A cosine B cosine A sine B. So what is that? Come on. Nobody wants to tell it what is that? Sine A minus B. What is that? What is that? Good. Now, if I choose x equal to 1, this term will be finished. If I choose x equal to 1, this term will be finished. So I will write down here, choose x equal to 1. But note that what? Fx is discontinuous. Do you agree with me? Continuous at 1. Because I have shown you the graph. Graph is like this. Here 0. Sorry. This 1. Huh? So at 1 there is a jump. So what will be the value here? F of 1 plus f of 1 minus ala 2 equal to 2 over Why? Yes, what is that? Integral 0 to infinity. This term will be 1 by alpha, and this will become 0, right? Any question, please? Yes. All of you understand? Very good. Now, tell me what is f of 1 plus? Means going to 1 on this side. This is the graph. And what is f1 minus? Going
1
from
and
this
2.
side. That is equal to 2. So what will happen? Come on. Yes. So what will happen? 0 plus 2 all are 2. What happens? Are you understanding?
Yes, doctor, I have a question.
Now, do you know this thing? Indefinite integral, inside variable is dummy. That means integral a to b fx dx is same as integral a to b ft dt. Is same as integral a to b fut. Do you understand this?
Yes, yes.
This is dummy. This variable is dummy. So this is matlub. So did you prove this? Yes. Or it is same as pi by 2 equal to 0 to infinity sine x over x dx. All right. Inshallah. Look, don't miss Yom Al-Arba lecture. Yom Al-Arba will not continue this. Yom Al-Arba night, we are going to finish our remaining part, and Yom Al-Khamis, I will finish this remaining part of Fourier integral.
Doctor,
Inshallah. Yes.
the last line, you get integral 1 over alpha, 0 plus sine alpha.
Say again.
And last line,
Yes.
how did you get that, doctor?
I told you here, I explained you, yeah. Oh, you mean this thing, how I get? Are you asking this or this?
No, down there. Not here.
I
Before,
look in
before.
this box. Understand? So, did you understand?
Doctor?
Yeah, so I wrote down the Qanun, why I got that.
Yes,
Here
I
I
know.
wrote down that Qanun, and now you are asking. I wrote down the Qanun here. You did not ask that time, yeah. So I wrote down the Qanun here. This is, I told you this is A, this is B. Sine A cosine B minus cosine A sine B.
Doctor, let's ask my question. Just, I mean, before, after that. 0
Now
plus sine
x
alpha.
equal to 1.
Okay.
So this x equal to 1 means this will become 0.
Okay, sorry, doctor. Thank you, doctor.
All right. See you inshallah Yawmul Arba night, inshallah. Yes, Khalid, I'm
Doctor.
going and coming back for you.
Thank you.